Welcome back to my channel. I often see videos on YouTube, shorts mostly, from people who pretend to know about computers, but in reality know nothing. They promote some solutions or programs that are supposed to improve computers or so-called life hacks. One of those videos caught my attention because the solution showed the idea is quite interesting and can be used as your own MFA, multi-factor authenticator. The video shows a program that after you start your computer, it checks if a folder with certain name exists. If it does, nothing happens. But if the folder is not present, then computer reboot itself, and that goes in loop. The solution seems interesting, and more importantly, you can complete it yourself without need for downloading any programs which may contain some bad code or zero-day exploits. We don't know that. So, today I will show you step by step how to program such an implementation. And today I will demonstrate it using Windows systems. However, in the next video I will show you how to do it on the Linux-based systems. So, let's start. As we are using Windows, the natural choice was a PowerShell. However, you can call this in any language, I would say, but let's focus on PowerShell. So the first thing is that we have to define the path to desktop. So okay, so we need some variables. And now we want desktop regardless of user logged in. So if you have if you use a computer with number of users at your home, I don't know, your spouse, your kids, your friends, this will work in any profile. So this is the path for the desktop. Now we want the path for the folder. And now we need to define what name of the folder do we want. So for short, I will put a test, but this is the place where you can define that you want that folder to be called I am here, it's me, whatever, angrysysop.com, whatever name is here, that will be checked. So this is the place to change that variable, and you can change every day or every time you want to use that program. Another thing is to define the time. So the time for the system to delay to check if that folder exists. So timeout. I would set this up for 15 seconds because I am not a quick speller. Okay, and just a reminder, and you can manipulate that time. You can put 10 seconds. It depends how fast you can right click, choose an option to create new folder and name it. I think that for me the 15 seconds is enough, but as the video shows, 10 seconds will be default. Up to you guys. So now we need to start the timer. Now we need to apply logic to check the system every second if that folder exists. So now we write a message. This checked if folder exists, and if it exists, then you will get a message that folder detected, no action needed. And now we set up how many seconds we should wait until that. And this is how many seconds we wait for every iteration through that loop. Okay. And now we do the shutdown. If folder is not detected. And we can tell that we couldn't detect folder within the second we specify. Or we can don't do any message. It's up to you. So if we don't do message, it will just shut down, and maybe that's even better. So the hacker or the person who got into our computer will not know. We'll just write down command. And that's a 0, not O. 0. One important thing. Now, this will work if you run that script as an admin. So I will show you how it works. I will run this locally, but to make that work permanently, like in every time you switch on your computer, you have to do a few more steps. You have to either do this script run from the task scheduler with the admin privileges, and if I get 1,000 likes for that video, I will show you detailed video how to use it. Or you can compile the Excel file from Python and run this on the auto startup. I can show you those options again once that video reaches 1,000 likes. So like, subscribe and share. How the script works. So first of all, I will show you how it works when I create the script. So let's play. And I think I made some mistake. So 1 second, please. And obviously I misspelled environment. So I need to fix that quickly. Alright. So again, we will try to do it. Okay. 15 seconds. So it's running. Right. New folder. Test. Enter. You see, folder detected. No action needed. Okay. Computer stays on. Now, let's delete that folder. Okay. And run the script again. Okay, so as you can see, this is the same script, and now I will not create the folder, and within 15 seconds the computer will reboot. There you are. It's rebooting. So now, guys, again, if I get 1,000 likes, I will show you how to automate that process and how to make that script running itself every time you boot computer and log into your system. That script is available on my GitHub account, so I will link in the video description, so you don't need to stop and retype. Or if you did, kudos for you, because by typing you will learn. But if not, just download from my GitHub. Please leave a like, subscribe and share that video. I hope you enjoy it and see you in the next one. And the next one will be about the Linux systems. Bye!